Up for sale is my 2012 Mini Cooper S with 71,000 miles. I'm going to give you a video tour. It's a neat party trick. Just play the button in, and windows go down, sunroofs go up, dual sunroofs. It's got sport wheels, 17-inch, which were optional. Wheel locks installed. Little accident, backed into a pole, unfortunately. Let's see. Some scratches from parking on the street. Some scratches prior to my owning it. Right here. And on the wheels. The tires are Continental Contact Pro SSR. They handle amazingly. They're old, but they have a lot of tread wear left. The Just Tires was recommending that I replace them, but they are great. Inside, quite clean. It's got the all-weather floor mats. Let's see. Shift lever has a broken spring, so I just put a rubber band around it so it just doesn't rattle. It's fully functional. I installed a Apple MagSafe phone mount. It charges and holds the phone at the same time. If I mount it, put the phone on there. See, and I also installed a more evolved Bluetooth, so you could do streaming audio, and it does hands-free calls. That is a microphone, and it has 3 buttons in there, so you could control the music just by pressing this without having to fumble with your phone if you want to change the track. It's really nice. Also has a 70 my dual dash cam setup, front and rear. This one's 4K, and here's the rear one. It connects via Wi-Fi to your phone, so you could download the images or the videos. Let's see, AC works very well. Heated seats, Harman Kardon sound system, sounds fantastic. Here's the mileage right there, and I'll show you neat little extra bumper protector. Check this out. This is integral audio, custom designed 10-inch woofer with a 300-watt pile amp that gets integrated right into the stock sound system, and it gives it that low-end punch that the system didn't have. So nice. There's a volume control knob for the subwoofer right here, and pop the hood. There's a motor, 1.6 liter turbo, 181 brake horsepower, and overboost. Oh yeah, I put a K&N filter in there, so it breathes a little better. Let's see what else. I upgraded the interior lighting to LED, so you never burn out. And let's start her up. Let me just close this. dash cam, rear dash cam. It's gonna beep because I need to get gas. But fuel warning. Let's see. Yeah, she's purrs quite nicely. What else can I say? What else did I do? I think that's it. So, yeah, she could be yours.